Back for another deep dive. Today, we're going to be looking at something that's pretty universal, really.
Yeah.
The idea that English, well, it kind of opens doors, right?
I mean, yeah, definitely.
Okay, so to get into this, we found this snippet from a podcast, pretty interesting title, called English Opens Doors to a Global World in 10 Amazing Ways.
Catchy, huh?
Yeah, I thought so. It got me thinking, and we're going to try and unpack some of those amazing ways they're talking about.
Yeah, think about it. It really is everywhere,
It
right?
is. It's like, I mean, it's kind of a given now that English is how everyone.
It's common thread.
Yeah. And I mean, we all know it can help you get a better job, travel more easily, things like
The
that.
practical stuff, right?
Exactly. But I think there's a whole other side to it, like how it changes you as a person.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. That's where things get really interesting, I think.
Yeah. So in this deep dive, we're going to get into all that.
Beyond the obvious.
Right. Beyond the obvious.
It's like, how does speaking English actually transform you? What doors does it open that you might not even realize are there?
Yeah. Okay. So let's get right into it.
Yeah.
So this podcast, they list out 10 ways English opens doors. Some are pretty basic, but some, well, they really got me thinking. Okay, so number one, right off the bat, they're talking about global communication.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like, yeah, okay, you can talk to more people, sure.
Right, but it goes deeper than that.
It does.
It's like you're not just ordering a coffee in a foreign country.
Right,
They're
right.
sharing ideas.
You're working together.
Exactly, building relationships. I mean, think about scientists collaborating on research or activists working on social justice issues across different countries.
Yeah. It's like global teamwork, basically.
Exactly.
And that leads to, well, I mean, who knows what it can lead to? It's huge.
I mean, breakthroughs, innovations, solutions to global problems.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so another one that really caught my eye is about access to quality education.
Oh, yeah, huge one.
It's like, okay, we all know you can go to university in an English-speaking country if you know the language.
Right, but it's bigger than that now.
Way bigger.
It's like the whole education landscape is changing. Think about online courses, MOOCs, all that stuff.
Yeah, those massive online courses, they're everywhere now.
And a lot of them are in English. So someone in rural India or a small village in Africa, they can take the same course from Harvard or MIT as someone sitting right here in the States.
That's insane. I mean, it really is leveling the playing field.
It's incredible.
Yeah, and it's not just university stuff either. It's like there's YouTube tutorials, online communities, all sorts of learning resources, all in English.
It's like the whole world of knowledge is suddenly open to anyone who can understand the language.
It's powerful stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so another point this podcast makes, this one's interesting. It says that learning English can actually boost your cognitive skills.
That's something I've definitely noticed in my own life, and there's research to back it up.
There is. What does it say?
Well, bilingual people, they often have better memories.
Oh, okay.
They're better at problem solving, they can focus better even. And some studies suggest that it might even help to delay cognitive decline, later in life.
Wow. So learning English is like a brain workout.
Kind of, yeah. Your brain is constantly switching between languages, which strengthens those cognitive muscles, so to speak.
So it makes you smarter, basically.
In a way, yeah. It definitely makes your brain more agile and flexible.
I like it. Okay, so this one seems pretty obvious. Improved career opportunities.
Right, yeah. Classic one.
But I'm wondering, is it really just about getting a better job, or is it more than that?
I think it's way more than that. It's about expanding your horizons.
Okay.
So, yeah, you might get a higher salary or a promotion if you speak English, but it also opens up a whole world of possibilities.
Like what?
Well, imagine you're an entrepreneur, right? And you have this amazing idea.
Yeah.
If you speak English, you can connect with investors and partners from all over the world. You can market your product globally. You're not limited to just your local market.
That's true. It's like you're not just competing in a small pond anymore.
Exactly. You're swimming in the ocean.
I like that. Okay, so this podcast, it also talks about personal growth, which is something we touched on earlier.
Yeah, that's a big one for me.
What do you mean?
Well, learning a language, it's not always easy, right? Especially as an adult.
No, it's definitely challenging.
Right, you have to step out of your comfort zone. You have to make mistakes.
Embarrass yourself.
Exactly. But all of that builds resilience. It teaches you to embrace ambiguity, to be more adaptable.
And to laugh at yourself, probably.
Oh, yeah, definitely that.
I remember when I first started learning, mention a language you learned, I was so frustrated. Like, I wanted to give up.
Oh, yeah, I feel that.
But then, something clicks. and suddenly you're having a conversation, and you're like, wow, I did that.
It's such a rewarding feeling.
It is. And it makes you realize you can do anything you set your mind to.
Exactly. It gives you this, like, I can do anything attitude.
Yeah, it changes your perspective, I think.
It does. Absolutely.
So we've talked about individual benefits, but this podcast also claims that English can have a global impact.
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's like, think about all the big challenges we're facing as a planet.
Climate change, poverty, all that.
Exactly. We need to work together to solve these problems, and that requires communication, right?
Yeah, for sure.
And English is often the language that bridges those gaps between cultures and countries.
So people who speak English can contribute to finding solutions on a global scale.
Right. They can be part of the conversation. They can share their ideas, their knowledge, their expertise. They can collaborate with people from all over the world.
That's pretty powerful.
Yeah,
So it's not just about, like, personal gain. It's about making a difference in the world.
exactly. It's about using your skills to make the world a better place.
So to wrap this all up, I mean, it's clear that learning English, it's way more than just a skill
It's a tool for connection,
for growth.
for change.
Yeah, it really is a passport to a whole world of possibilities.
I mean, just imagine, what if millions more people spoke English? What kind of impact could we have on the world?
That's a great question to think about.
It is. And it's something I hope everyone listening will consider. Like, what could you achieve if you had the ability to communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world?
Yeah, it's food for thought. Well, that's it for our deep dive today. Thanks for joining us,
See ya.
and keep learning.
Always.